Today I'm going to open up, install and test the crucial DDR5 Pro overclocking memory. This is a 32GB kit, 6000 megatransfers per second, CL36. And it supports both Intel XMP and AMD EXPO. That's why I love Crucial Memory. They certify for both Intel and AMD, unlike some other manufacturers. You just don't have to worry. If you want to switch from Intel to AMD at some point in the future, then you can just bring this memory along with you to install into a new PC build. Now let's open it up and take a closer look. There we go. Oh, beautiful matte black. Check it out. This is nice. Minimalistic design. I like it. Very cool. And they're very light as well. I'm just admiring those shapes on the heatsink. It's pretty cool. You can easily check compatibility of your motherboard with this memory by going to the Crucial website and selecting your memory. And check this out. You just click check, and then I will write MSI, select motherboards, and then model Z790, and there it is, Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi. Check compatibility. And a few seconds later, there you go, confirmed compatibility. Here's what the memory kit looks like installed into my 14th gen Intel-based system. We'll take a look at AMD next. Check it out. It fits in very well into this mostly black-themed PC build. Although one thing I notice is that the sticker is on this side for some reason. So the actual Crucial logo is on the side closer to the CPU. Now let's power up the PC and see if Intel's XMP is working on my MSI Z790 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi motherboard. And there it is, two XMP profiles. So profile 1 is 6000 and profile 2 is 5600. Both have the same timings, but voltage is different. Let's enable profile 1, that's DDR5-6000. Quit, save, and let's see if it loads. And indeed, it works. DDR frequency, 6000. Just for good measure, here's what it looks like inside of my AMD Ryzen 7600X build using another MSI motherboard. This is B650M Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this memory kit? If you're interested, you can get one at the link in the description below. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.